Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Earth Day. I feel that with everything crazy going on in the world right now, I do feel that our planet, our health, and all of that is the absolute most important right now. I also said at the beginning of the year that I would be looking to work with new brands this year that I felt were more accessible to you guys. Brands that are just cleaner, better for the environment, better for us, and obviously that are gonna make our hair look pretty. So, you know how picky I have always been with the products that I bring you guys. And I know that for the last couple of years, I've always brought you really professional products that were not necessarily always accessible to someone that's not licensed. So my goal this year has and continues to be working more with products and companies that are incredibly good for your hair, that are salon quality, but that are at least at a good price point and are accessible to someone that is not licensed. So in the spirit of Earth Day and clean products, today I wanted to talk about Biolage. So I'm so happy and proud to be partnering with Biolage for today's video. I literally went in my shower and grabbed my favorite Biolage products. So first of all, their branding is color-coded for each hair type or each hair issue that you were trying to manage. My absolute favorite line is their Color Last. And I've been trying these out for, I want to say, a little over 6 weeks now. Every time that I show you a product, I like to be well versed in it. I like to have tried it for a long time, not just once, and see, okay, this made my hair feel great, because I think the way a product makes your hair, your skin feel over a couple of weeks is a much better tell of the product than just 1 or 2 times use. The Color Last line is hydrating, but it also does keep your tones in the hair locked. So whether I've just done my root color or I've toned my hair, there are shampoos that I use that I absolutely love that are good for other things, but when it comes to actually keeping my color locked in, they don't do a great job of that. So that's why I absolutely love this one. Also, the way every single Biolage product smells, it's incredible. It literally turns your bathroom or shower into like a spa setting. The smell is just so incredible, but without being perfumey. It is paraben free. That is something that I feel more and more so clients and everyone is more aware of. And a lot of times when I mention a product either to a client or on YouTube, that is one of the biggest questions is it paraben free? And absolutely it is. So that means that this is safe to use on obviously colored hair, but also extensions, and if you have a keratin treatment done on your hair. Another favorite thing that I've absolutely been loving is their deep treatment little packets. I've gone through maybe 3 of these. As you can see, this one's halfway done. So the pink one goes with the shampoo I just showed you, which is the Color Last. The green one is the deep treatment for dry hair. This one literally will like rescue your hair out of the driest, most possible hair that you can have. This makes your hair feel absolutely buttery and incredible. I would love to go a little bit more in depth into each section and each hair care category, but without making it too overwhelming today, I just wanted to bring you my absolute favorites. I'm really excited for the fun things that we have coming up for you guys. We will also be having a giveaway in our next video. Another reason why I'm so passionate about the Biolage brand is that it is partnering up with Green Circle. So Green Circle is the first sustainable salon solution to divert over 95% of beauty waste. So one side of the beauty industry I'm definitely not proud of is that we produce over 420,000 pounds of waste a day. If that doesn't scare you, I don't know what will. Any salon can join Green Circle and it will just make your salon a sustainable and greener and just better for the planet salon. So this would not only help the planet, but it would make your salon also more appealing for clients. I absolutely love the collaboration in these 2 amazing companies coming together for a great cause. So guys, if you are interested in trying out some new Biolage products, I know a lot of you already have. It's probably one of the most used products by clients when I ask them what they're using and if it's a first-time client. And the first thing they always say is, it makes my hair feel awesome and it smells great. And that's absolutely the truth. If you'd like to try them out, you can find them at hair.com, and you can get 15% off on your first purchase using the code Ellebangs15. And in the spirit of Earth Month, you get a free, beautiful green tote with any Biolage kit that you purchase. Is this not the prettiest green? I actually wore green today, completely unintentional, but here we are. Can you tell us my favorite color? So in order to help me for the giveaway in the next video, if you guys will go ahead and leave me what your biggest hair concern is, whether it's hydration, whether it's adding more volume, whether it's making your color last, go ahead and leave them down below just so we can decide which kit we'll be using for the giveaway. I hope you're all staying healthy, safe, and I hope one of these products makes your shower experience that much more exciting. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
It's like I just went to the garden and picked up my vegetables.